If you want your tasks, meetings, and deadlines to finally live in one place, then this video is going to be a game changer. Today, I'll show you exactly how to sync ClickUp with your Outlook calendar, step by step, without any confusion. By the end, you'll have a fully connected calendar that updates automatically and keeps your workflow effortlessly organized. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into ClickUp. Open your browser and head over to the ClickUp website. Enter your email and password just like you normally do. If you need to double check your password, use the show password option. And of course, if you're brand new to ClickUp, you'll want to create an account first. Don't worry, it only takes a minute. Once you're inside your workspace, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. A quick drop down will appear. From there, select settings. This is where all your customization, preferences, and integrations live. Next, on the left-hand side of the settings menu, find the calendar section, go ahead and click it. You'll now see different calendar integration options, and the one we're looking for is Outlook Calendar. Once you find it, click Configure to start the setup. Now comes the connection part. Click the Connect button and a new Outlook login window will pop up. Sign in using your Outlook email and password, the same one you use for your Microsoft account. After you log in, Outlook will ask if you want to grant ClickUp permission to access your calendar. Go ahead and allow the permissions. This step is important because it enables the two-way sync, meaning your ClickUp tasks and Outlook events will stay updated automatically in both places once permissions are granted. Give the system a few moments to finish syncing. Then open your Outlook calendar and your ClickUp calendar to verify everything is displayed correctly. You should now see your ClickUp tasks inside Outlook. If something doesn't appear instantly, refresh the page or check your visibility filters inside ClickUp, and that's it. You've successfully synced ClickUp with Outlook Calendar. And if this guide helped you streamline your workflow, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.